Yeah. The first letter is which pentatonic box they represent. So this is the C pentatonic box. It's green because green, it starts on the green note, the three, the E note there. A pentatonic. Now that's blue because it's the A. Now I've color coded it to the A down here. A being a blue note. Five is kind of a red note on my guitar, but sometimes the colorings match other things, right? So G is the red note, so that's that color. But these cages are slightly bigger because they're three pentatonics each, starting on the caged pentatonic that it is, C, A, G, E, D. So in this diagram, okay, I can't get that there. In this diagram, things go C, A, G, E, D, which guess what? It's a descending pentatonic scale. C, A, G, E, D, C. Okay? But going down like there, okay, it's an ascending pentatonic scale. C, D, E, E, G, A, B. All right? So, whenever you're ready, computer. C, D, E, E, G, A, and then B we consider a part of a C shaped thing. So I just put that as C minus. The E is pretty much E plus. Now how does that work? How does E get to be E plus? Alright? And that works like this. With the E minor, alright, we have, like right here, let's say, we have E minor is the Phrygian third of C, right? But within that E minor, there's this 4, okay? So it's an E-shaped 4. So this is an E minor shaped E, because E minor is the 3rd, the 5th, and the 7th of C. So we have here a second inversion E minor, 7, 3, 5. And then we go to a full E shape, which is the E plus. I call it E plus because it's going this way on the pentatonic box, right? Looks like, that's my blood giving vein there. That's not a muscle. I thought that was like, that was so awesome. So that's because I'm kind of like getting my arm bent over the guitar here. So that's like an E plus, okay? That it goes. Then we do the E shape. So this is E major shape. So it's an E right there. All right, and then we have pretty much the same concept over by the 7. Okay, there's the root box. All right, that is the. Let's see if we can figure this out now. I guess I'll have to go up here. Yeah, where the 7 is. There's the root box here where we go back to E. All right, and it's going to be the 3 pentatonics that the E is at. All right, notice that when we do a root C-shaped root E-shaped C root pentatonic, you start on the root and we go root 2, 3, 5, 6 root, and then we do an S 3S up here. But we can expand that box down to encompass, to not encapsulate as much. The 7 encapsulates the root. The root actually expands down to, so it's minus, and we have the 7 in that box. All right, so we have the 7th degree right there, and we can choose 7 4 7 4 kind of 6 or 4 6 2 7 4 6 2. These are half diminished chords, and we're going to do that in the next. I'm going to look at that in the next chart. That's an important part, and that took practically a week for me to bone up on, and I can't even play them that good, but I just know where they are. If you know where something is, that's the next best thing to, being able to play it quickly. If you recognize it, that's what people need to do. They need to internalize where things are. Where is C? Okay, so where is the half diminished? Well, that's another question. It's another question. So we've got, that's why on the end here, all right, it's also going up a pentatonic if you consider this a C box, a C cage. So the cages go up pentatonically: C, D, E, E, G, A, C, C. Okay, and that's it. It starts here. Now within each column here, there is these scale tone chords. So with C, it's C shaped C, D minor shaped D minor, E minor shaped E minor, E shaped F to the 4th bar, that's E plus, G shaped G7, A shaped A minor shaped A minor, and then we get the C half diminished shape. We'll skip that for now. We're going to get to that, but I want to and then that works with these guys too. You start with the G shape up here, so we'll put that on the 6th. So this is the G shaped C way up here. Then we got an A minor shaped D minor, a C minor shaped E minor. Now C minor shape's going to be, this is terrible. Okay, let's pause a second. Okay, for the C minor shaped E minor, okay, right here, C minor shaped E minor. Now the box, which started on a G, okay, we're going to have E minors 3, 5, 7. I'm sorry I have to keep looking at the piano like that. So there's your 3, 5, 7. And this is in the G box, okay? The thing is, we have to extend that box down. This is bigger than the G box. So when I put the capo on, now, that's why capos can be difficult. It's going to have to really hit this 7. Right, so it's 3, 5, 7. All right, so doing it in like in arpeggios, it'd be G shaped. It'd be like G shaped C, and then it'd be A minor shaped D minor, and then C minor shaped E minor. Like that. See, it's part of the G cross C cross D box, and these are these are the 3 major pentatonics in the key, the G shape. Okay, whatever key you're in, it would be the G shape of that key. If we're in the key of C, it's a G shape. C is the 1, the 4 is up here a major, it's a C shape. The 4 would be the C shaped F, right, or the C shaped 4 right here, 4 6 root 4, and then D would be the 5, the 5th of the key you're in if it's C, but still the 5th is essentially a D shape, would be 2 5 7, D